Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I just want to show you a quick recipe that I used the part of the ground beef that I got out of the freezer this week for the No Buying Meat for 6 Months Freezer Challenge. If you've been following this, then you know Linda over at Linda's Pantry and I are doing this together. And we encourage all of you to join in. So this week I chose hamburger. Oh, by the way, link to Linda's channel will be down in the description. So if you want to pop over there. And there's also a playlist that has all of her videos as well. You want to make sure that you make comments on every one of our videos so that you can be in for the monthly and at the end of 6 months, the grand drawing. So what I did with half of the ground beef I took out is I made these. Now this has been a staple. We've made these for years in our house. We call them a taco salad, but they're not really because they don't have a little taco salad bowl. And they're kind of like nachos because they have the chips, but they have the taco stuff on top. So it's not really a nacho. So that's that. But all I did was take the nachos. I fried some hamburger. Let me see if I can see it in there. I fried some hamburger with a little bit of taco seasoning. And then on that, I put lettuce, cheese. I like to put kidney beans in there. If I have olives, I'll put them in there. Jalapenos, I'll put them in there. Just whatever you feel like it. I put sour cream and some guacamole on the top. But the secret here is the dressing. The dressing is so good. And what it is 50-50 salsa. And this is my own salsa that I made. It's a Mrs. Wages salsa. And this is the hot salsa. And I like this one because it has chunks. It's real chunky, so that makes it nice for this taco salad. But it's 50-50 with Catalina dressing and the salsa. And you mix it together and you pour it over the top, and then I put the sour cream on top. And that is a quick and yummy salad dinner. It takes the longest part of putting this together is grabbing your ingredients and frying the hamburger. But other than that, this is a delicious one. We've been having this for years, and I hope you guys give it a try. If you have your own twists on kind of taco salad sort of things, put it down in the comment. Let me know. So anyway, there you have it. Half of the ground beef I took out of the freezer is used in this meal. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.